Hi guys, it's Nathan from the Veris Hydrographic team again. I've got a quick little video for you today on draping imagery over the top of a surface. This can be really useful for looking at a surface in a different way or combining different sorts of data. So what I've got loaded up here, I've got some bathymetry that was collected and you can see some trees laying on the bottom. That's what these long objects here are. And we can look at that in 3D. So I'll go up to the 3D tab and I'll turn on my bathymetry layer in the left hand pane, and I can just right click anywhere on the surface and zoom in to have a closer look. So I'll zoom in and I can see those trees there just as this point cloud sort of loads up. I can put some vertical exaggeration on to make things stand out a little more. And I've also got two other layers over here, some historical imagery when this area wasn't flooded, and also the multi-beam backscatter or multi-beam intensity data. So rather than turning those layers on over here on the left, which would put them, they don't have a vertical value to them, we can't see them, they'll be hidden sort of underneath the surface. Rather than turning them on in the left hand side here, what I'll do is I'll make sure I've got my bathymetry layer selected, and I'll go over here to drape and I'll apply my imagery, and so now I can have a look at that surface with some imagery overlaid. So this is really handy especially in a coastal or in port environment where you've got high quality imagery for the area. You can put that over the top of your bathymetry and have a look at it in a different way. Rather than doing the imagery, I'm going to apply the sonar intensity. So this is the strength of the return that's come back from the multi-beam. So in this view, darker areas would be considered harder or stronger returns, which matches up pretty well with what we're seeing. We're seeing these tree-like objects here, which are darker and lighter sediment areas that have lighter shadings. This rocky bank here, you can see, is coloured quite dark. So it just gives you a different way of interrogating the data and looking at it, and being able to drape that imagery over a 3D surface can be a really good way to have a look at your data. And that's another cool little feature of Caris Easy View. Please reach out if you'd like to know more. Thanks for your time.